Hello, it's Suki here. Today is going to be kind of a different video. We're going to be remaking my video that I created about this keyboard. This is the Akko 3087 World Tour Tokyo R2 edition. It is a really good keyboard. It's an 80% layout, and it comes in multiple switches. The Akko 2nd Gen Pinks, the 2nd Gen Blues, and the 2nd Gen Oranges. You can get any of those. And the equivalent to them is the Cherry MX Red, Blue, and Brown. So the interface is USB Type-C, and there is no backlight or backlit, and it isn't hot swappable. It is the 3087 model, and the weight is approximately 1.55 kilograms. It comes in a PBT material, and I believe it is top mounted, which is kind of weird with the plastic material, but I think it puts a good touch on the keyboard. The profile is OEM. It's really nice, and it kind of gives me a feeling like the IBM models did, which is pretty cool. There's no side print, and it is overall a very good keyboard. I think it definitely is pleasing to the eye. Like you have seen in the videos, my spacebar was broken when I went to open it, which was really depressing, and I was very excited for the video. But whatever, it's quite frankly too much money to just go and buy another spacebar, so I'm just gonna leave it like this until I have enough money to actually buy an entire new keycap set, because I'm gonna build another one like this. This is an 80% layout, if I haven't already said that. And another thing that bothers me is that the F keys aren't aligned. So the key itself is aligned, but if you look at the text on it, it's further to the right, which is kind of annoying. Although I do like the keycap designs, I think they're a bit annoying, especially with the detailed ones, because the detailed ones, as you can see, are a lot higher than the regular ones. One thing that I think is cool is that there's feet, and they have different levels, so you can do the short ones. Well, you can do none. You can do the short one and then the large one, which I think is really handy when you're trying to type or something like that. The USB-C isn't really a USB-C. It requires more power, so you can't use like the one I have right here. You have to use their pink one, so you can't get a custom coiled cable unless you get the exact amount of power that it needs, which is kind of annoying. I really do think that it's nice having the numlock pad, but at the same time, I'm not really a big fan, because, I mean, it's nice, but I don't use those. I mean, I main up, my daily drivers is 60%. I do like the designs, though, on the keycaps. That's a big seller for me, and I think the color is a very nice choice. In terms of productivity, I think I do very well with this keyboard. I use it for a lot of gaming, like Tarkov and Star Citizen, and stuff that requires a lot of keys, and I think it's overall a very good keyboard. While typing, I have still struggled to use it because of just how weird everything is. I can't get used to the two Windows buttons, and the fact that the function is on a different side is just weird to me. Another thing that kind of bothers me is how close the keys are in one of these areas. At least for mine, it's a little spaced out, but these ones aren't really too spaced out, at least in some areas. And the sound is kind of hollow, but I do think it's a good buy for only $100, or not even $100 for some of the keyboards. If you want their 100% layout, it's about $125, I believe. It's pretty good, and it just adds the extra, bit. It's really nice, though. I do want to inform you that this is out of stock right now, and that I don't know when it will be coming back in. I got the Akko oranges, by the way, if any of you are wondering, and overall I think they sound pretty good. And again, I can't switch them out anyways because it's not hot swappable, and I don't feel like soldering them because this was an expensive buy and I don't want to waste my money, so because I don't trust myself. It was made in China, which isn't really that big of a deal to me. I don't know why everybody makes such a big fuss about it, but I think the keycap quality is pretty nice. I do like the texture of them, and I do like the fact that they have indents in some of the keycaps, which is nice. In overall design, I think it's very nice, and for gaming, I really do like it. it's a lot better. But another thing that I've realized is how hard it is to press down on certain keys, because I don't do touch typing. So yeah, overall I think it was a really good buy, and let's go to the sound test.